It's just a roof. No need to panic. No need to panic. Okay, so I'm on a roof right now and I want to point out what I'm looking at. This roof has quite a few things going on here that warrant a new roof and a further evaluation by a roof contractor. You get granule loss here. Some of the roof materials are really damaged and just completely worn out. And then we get abandoned pipe stack flashings that have open holes in the top, allowing water to go right into the building. So let's take a closer look. Okay, so first thing I like to do from the roof's edge is just take a look. And typically, if it was a shingle roof, a sloped roof, I'd be checking here just to feel the shingles to see if they're falling apart. But as you can see, this roof is toast. Yeah, you shouldn't be able to rip your roof off with your hand. So this roof is absolutely gone. There's no drip edge here. They just kind of rolled it over on the sides. It's poorly installed a long time ago by an unqualified person, obviously. I'm going to take it easy up here because this is a very old roof. Now we're on the sloped roof and it's not much better. Granule loss everywhere, as you can see here. Let's see. I can just tear this off and just crumble it in my hands. You can see all the fiberglass underneath the granules right here, all the shiny stuff. Your roof shouldn't be shiny unless it's a metal roof. This is composition shingles I'm walking on here. And here is a very old chimney that I'm not going to inspect because I do not inspect chimneys. And here's more badly damaged roof materials. Yeah, this roof is absolutely toast. This is the worst one I've seen in a good 6 months or so. So where's this going? Okay, so this here is an abandoned vent and the rain cap is rusted off and fell off. That's why there's no cap on it. And I can see right into the ceiling below. I can't show you that on the camera, but I can definitely see the drywall on the ceiling below. So this is an active water leak. So there could be a lot of moisture damage all the way down here. I'll have to take a close look at that ceiling when I get inside. But all along there could be water damage, and of course it's going to pool at the bottom. So there's probably going to be some damage at the bottom inside. It just tears right off. Just tears right off in your hands. Same thing on this side over here. Look at that. It just, yeah, this roof is just absolutely toast. So, yeah, it's just an old roof. All this means is that no one's been paying attention to it and no one's taken the time to replace it. It's just time to replace it. If you're buying a house, you may come across this. This is normal. This is normal for somebody to have an old roof on their house that they're not aware of how old it is. Don't worry about it. Just buy the house, replace the roof, or try to get a credit. It's just a roof. No need to panic. No need to panic. Just, it's part of owning a house. And I have to explain this every day to people. People tend to freak out. Wow, my roof's bad. Well, yeah, but the rest of the house looks good. People forget they're not buying a brand new house. And they get really surprised when they're buying an old house and it has old systems. Old systems like roofing, like old water heaters, old plumbing, old heating and cooling. The list goes on. So don't panic if you're buying a house. Just get it inspected, find out what it needs, then make your decision. It's that easy. See you on the next one. Please subscribe. I really appreciate the support so I can continue to make more videos for you guys and girls.